Hello all, welcome to Ambari Cloud YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to walk through Iceberg V3 table format lineage and how we can use lineage, how it is going to help us, and what are the new setup in Iceberg. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to do some quick setup, and here I'm going to connect to Polaris catalog. Okay, drop existing table and create a new table. Here I'm creating cow table, copy and write, but doesn't matter, you can also use any other table which is more merge and read. Okay, so here I'm going to insert some data and I'm going to query it. Now in V3 format we have two new columns, underscore row ID, underscore last update sequence number. These are columns we don't have to add it, and then these are default columns created through system, and for each row has a row ID, and then this is the first commit, so that's why sequence number 111. Okay, let's update a row. And query it. Okay, so now if you see here, this row sequence number changed to 2. So because this is a new commit, but there's no change on the row ID. Okay, and so here what I'm going to show that, so simple SQL. So when you query it, then it will say, hey, these are the previous commits and this is a new commit. That's why I'm showing as the latest. Okay, and then here find the latest. Okay, so latest sequence number 2, give me all the changes, new rows or modified rows done in the next commit, which is sequence number 2. So here I'm simply executing, give me all the rows which are committed after the first commit. So here first commit is 1, so because maximum sequence number 2 here. Okay, and then when you see, okay, only row number, this row number was changed, so this row number ID. So you can do further investigation, okay, what the changes happen now. So you can use time travel to walk through back, hey, what the changes, what is the initial value, what is the new value, and all that stuff. So lineage will help us. So every time when you commit, it will add a. Now let's insert a new rows one more time, because I want to show, and we're going to insert only just one row. I'm going to insert, okay. And then we're going to query, going back here. Okay, now if you look at here, it is lineage number 3. So every commit, yes, of course, different row ID. And you may ask, okay, why it is not following the sequence number, but that's how the system is working. But yeah, if you look at here, sequence number 3, because the previous commit is 2. So this is how we can understand how the data has been changed. So, and then it helps us to build a CDC pipelines. So to understand this last update sequence number lineage. And I'm going to present additional examples later, but just practice how Iceberg V3 format lineage is going to help us. Thank you. Bye now.